Kia ora, good morning everyone, Richard Wong here. Welcome back to the channel. This is a quick unboxing video because earlier this week I have received a big box of parcel from Zeapon, and they have recently released two new series of slider, which is the 600 and 800 series. So it's very similar to the Micro 2 slider, which is their first product they launched last year, which is my favorite gadget that I have reviewed last year. Definitely something that I wasn't expecting, but I really love using that slider. So now they released two new slider, and I have received this one a couple days ago, and I haven't open it at all. I actually only just opened that big the outside box just like 10 minutes before I do this review, because I want to do a quick unboxing video, which is something I usually don't really do much, because usually I don't really find it interesting to do unboxing, but because I am so excited about this slider, so that's why I want to do a quick video, quick hands-on, just to see the first impression, and also give you guys a chance to let me know what sort of things you want to know about this slider. So yeah, if there's anything you want to know about this slider or something you want me to test, just drop a comment below. I'll be working on the full review very soon. So yeah, let me know if there's something you are interested in about this slider. So without talking too much, let's start the unboxing now. The box is, well, it's actually quite heavy and quite a bit bigger than the original Micro 2 slider. Right. Where's the box? So as you can see, this is the E800 series, which is the longer of the two new versions that they are releasing. Both of them are bigger than the original one, but this is the bigger one of the two. All right, okay. So, oh, it comes with a very nice carrying case, and that's it for the box. All right, so the carrying case here, very nice. I think the original one didn't come with one from memory. All right. Ooh, and we have the slider in here. It looks very nice already. Okay, let me just put it here first, and let's see what else inside the box. Alright, we have this, what is, okay, USB cable, some screws. Oh, that's for the, what's that, the belt here. Warranty card, and then there's the new slider menu in different language, English, Chinese, Portuguese, French, yeah, quite a few different languages. The original one didn't come with a menu, I think, so they are adding more. Oh, another menu. This is a quick start guide, and okay, including some instruction about how to use the app. So the good thing about this slider is that you can use it with or without the app, because some other slider, similar slider in the market, you have to use an app to control it. Without the app, there's pretty much nothing you can do. But with this slider, you can actually do a lot of basic things just by using the buttons on the slider, and they have recently upgraded the firmware to add the looping function, so they can do it also without using the app, which is something that you couldn't do when they first released the slider. I have put a firmware update video just a little while ago. Right, why the bags feel, oh, there's something here. I was like, why this bag, this carrying case feel so heavy? What is it? Ah, Okay, I know what it is because I watched some of the video that they sent me. There's another one here. Alright, let's see if there's anything else. No, that's it all. I have to say, this case is very nice, very good quality. It feels very solid, and I like this yellow. Cool. Okay, put it one side. So what this one is extra support for the slider, because the thing about I noticed something already about this slider. Like the original one, the shorter one is already, I noticed one problem that I talk about in the original review is when you put it on the tripod, when you put a heavy camera and when you try to extend it fully to either way, because this slider has like a double slide kind of design, so that the slider actually can extend quite a bit. So what happens is when you fully extend the slider, because of the weight, there's a bit of like one side would tilt down quite a bit, and this time because this slider is even longer, so that effect will be even more noticeable compared to the original one. So what this one is that it can give you some extra support by mounting. When you put on the tripod, you have to lock it onto I think the side here, somewhere here, and then you can attach it back to your tripod to give it extra support so that it wouldn't tilt to either side, or at least to a very small amount when you even put a heavy camera and heavily loaded to the side. So I'm going to test that when I do the full review, so probably not going to show you today, but that's what this two set of rods here are for. So they should be, yeah, that's right, it is adjustable, so that you can adjust it to fit how you want to mount it on your tripod, and also different kind of tripod can also be used. And yeah, this is a little clamp here that you can use it to clamp it on. I don't know where, is it a tripod or the slider? I'm not too sure. I guess I have to find out when I work on the full review. Alright, so let me put it here. And look at the slider. Now, first thing, already noticed there's something new. There are wheels on the slider. The slider now comes with the what's that? The new easy, is it called easy lock? I think, yeah. This thing at the bottom here, and it looks very nice. It's carbon fiber, yeah, real carbon fiber, yeah, and the quality seems very nice as well, actually. Yep. And okay, anyway, back to that. So there are wheels here, so you can use the slider actually as a mini dolly, so that you can slide it around like this. And I saw some video they sent me before. You can actually, how do I use it? I think something like this. Is it? Just try to see. Yeah, like different kind of angle, sliding different angle, or like this. And now my desk is not big enough, but you get the idea. You can slide it in different way, depends on how you move the wheel. That is very cool. It's very cool. But if you don't need to slide it around, just like the original Easy Lock, you can just turn it around like this, and then extend it. Okay, I noticed another thing I'm going to talk about soon. So anyway, let's do this one first. So now it's fixed on the desk, or you can put it on the floor. It's not slide anymore. And what I just noticed is now the new Easy Lock is all the way to the edge of the slider pretty much, while the original one was like just like halfway or so, which make it actually quite easy to to tip over if you just use it and put some heavy camera on it, while the new one extend all the way to pretty much the same width of the slider itself. So that should be a lot more stable compared to the older version. And yeah, we have the motorized slider module here, which use the Sony battery, which I have one. I have many. Okay, now just power it on, and you can change the speed by pressing button here, just like the original one. So there are 3 different speeds. This is the slowest speed, which I cannot hear the noise, motor noise. I can hear the fan from my computer a lot more. That's a lot more noticeable than whatever noise that may come from the slider at the slowest setting. But yeah, if I change to the fastest setting, then it will be a lot faster, but then I should be able to hear noise if it's just like the original Micro 2. Yeah, and I can still do the same thing, I suppose, like the original one. Double click to set the start point, and then double click, set the end point, and then double click to go from start to end. Or I can enable the looping function, which is the new feature that comes with the firmware that recently released. I have to say, I really like that the base, the easy lock. It looks really cool. Probably because of the carbon fiber construction. But okay, anyway, here is my quick unboxing video of this new 800 series of the Zeapon Micro. Do they still call Micro 2? I think they don't call it Micro 2. I need to check, but the new slider from Zeapon. So I'm going to start using it and try it out. Oh, I nearly forgot. There are still some more things I want to show you, because I also received this. And I believe, yes, right. So these are the new suction cups for the new slider, and you use it to attach it onto window or some flat smooth surface so that I can have the slider hanging somewhere, not just put it on the table or a tripod or anything, so I can have more flexibility on how I can use the slider. So I'm definitely going to try it out as well, and hopefully it wouldn't break and broke my camera when I tried it. So let's see. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this unboxing video, and if you have anything you want to know or want me to try out about this slider, just drop a comment below. Thanks again for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video very soon.